Alright guys, today's video will be brought to you by Myfirstwig. You guys know I love them. They have the very best beginner friendly wigs. It came with a stand. This is a brochure with information about the hair on the back. Here's a cute little bag that has clips in it. It has a rat tail comb that's stamped with Myfirstwig. And here's everything you need to know. This is Yaki texture, 18 inches. It is Indian hair. The color is natural. And this is the wig cap that you will get. I love that color of that cap. So this is the hair. I love Yaki texture hair. Oh my gosh. Mimics African American hair perfectly. So it is pre-cut. The lace is already cut for you guys. The knots are already bleached and the hairline is already plucked. There are 2 combs on the side, one at the back with an adjustable strap. And there is also a strap to wear it glueless. This strap is adjustable, as well, and tagged with their name. So of course we're just going to take our foundation and tint the lace a little bit more, my skin tone. This color lace typically don't need it, but it's just a habit of mine and I do it still to prevent flashback when I take my pictures. So just put that all throughout the lace. Let's just go ahead and put the wig on and size it and see what we are working with, what all we got to do. Now Myfirstwig is known for having these wigs that you don't really have to do a lot to. You really can put them on, brush them, comb them, flat iron them, and go. But you guys know I am going to adhere this to my head so I can wear it longer. So let's just make sure this part is lined up because they used to be a problem of mine back in the day, y'all. So I'm going to take my wax stick, you know how I do, comb and brush everything out of the way so that you can see exactly what you need to do to the wig. You can't see what you need to do with all that hair and stuff in the way. So that's what I'm doing, is just tying it up. Now Myfirstwig, all of their wigs are super user friendly. They have so many different types over there and they have so many different payment options. I have been working with this I think I have been working with this company for 10 years. Very trusted and I just absolutely love them. So I'm going to cut the ear tabs off. They are a little bit too long, covering my ears. I'm just going to do both ears. And then what I'm going to do is go in next with the got2b glue gel. This is what I use to adhere the wig to my head. I just put a thin layer of that. If you want it to really stick, you dry this down a little bit and then put a whole nother layer, 2 layers, and then what I always do is just go in with my fan and dry that. Feel free to use a blow dryer, but I be having hot flashes, so I don't want hot air on me right now. So we're going to just push this down. After that, it's tacky. And make sure it is pushed into the whole perimeters of my head. So this is one of my favorite textures of hair, guys. This wig is just 10 out of 10 for me. So we're just going to tie it down so it can go ahead and stick to my head. After it's dry all the way, we're going to take that off rather. And yeah, let's just go in with the rest. Brush it back so we can go in with the spray, the even spray. And we're going to spray this around to melt the lace on in. So I'm just going to go around my whole forehead, my side, my ears, and everything with this spray. And you guys, oh, I don't know what had my attention. I really don't. Because nobody was, well, somebody had to be home. But anyway, back to the hair. Just do both sides. And after you spray this is going to dry really quick. But I'm still going to use my fan to speed up the process. And you just do the exact same thing that you did with the gel. It's a little bit dry. I'm pushing some of the lace down with the comb again, and I'm going in with the fan to dry it down a little bit more. I'm wiping off a lot of that excess spray so it won't interfere with my makeup. And when it's dry, we're going to tie it back down. We're good and dry now, so let's see what we're working with. I'm going to take my makeup and just go ahead and put that on my forehead and put it on the lace to make it blend together. And this lace is just gorgeous. Just look at that. So I am going to extend my part back some because I can. That's how bum this wig is. Look how far it go back. And it still look real scalp-like. I'm going to take the wax stick, and of course, so we can flatten this down, that is just my hairbrush right there. And you guys know what I'm going to go in with next. I hate showing this because you guys are always like, where do I get this flat iron with the hot comb on the back? I'm sorry, it's discontinued. I've been having it for years. I searched eBay, I searched Google, I searched the website and everything. Could not find it. One person even said, tell me what it's called. I bet I can find it. Okay, boo. Okay, good luck. So we brushed that down and we're just going to see how everything is turning out. Look at this. It look like I got a fresh relaxer and I got some good thick hair, right? Right. That's what we want it to look like. So very natural. So very natural. So I'm going to go back in with that same flat iron. Sorry, y'all know I like to be flat. Look at the difference. See the side I haven't done? Ugh, it just makes such a difference. I'm going to go in with this paddle brush and brush through. And then we're just going to actually flat iron it this time. Really didn't need it. That's how good the hair is, but we're just going to flat iron it so we can have a good, neat, uniform look. It looks like I got a fresh relaxer. It looked like I just got a wrap. It looked like I just came from the salon. It looked like I got a blowout. It looked like all of the above. This is old school me in probably the 11th, 12th grade with the Aaliyah wrap. With my Yaki texture hair. Okay, so yeah, this is so gorgeous. Okay, guys, please note that I will leave everything you need to know about this wig below the video, a direct link to the wig, my discount code, and everything will be below the video in the description box, guys. Please check there along with the products I used in this video. Thank you so much to Myfirstwig for sponsoring this video, and I'll see y'all in my next video.